Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the colored pencil destash as promised. Now, let's set some ground rules ahead of time. So, of course, please read the description for additional rules or anything I might left out. Now, this is a destash, not a giveaway. Some pencils will be given away if they're cheap enough. Others you do have to purchase from me, but it'll be at a discounted rate. I just can't afford to give all these away for free, but I want them to go to good homes. So that's the point of the destash. I had originally thought of just throwing them on eBay, and you guys going on there and buying them. But instead, what I'm going to do is for the first week after this video is posted, they will be available and you'll have to email me. The email address will be below. We've done forms in the past. That creates a lot of hiccups. So you'll email me, first come, first serve. So the first person to email gets first dibs. Whatever pencils they're claiming, they get first dibs on that. However, they must make a payment to me in less or within 24 hours, or the next person in line gets them. I cannot hold pencils. This has been a nightmare in the past. We're not doing that again. Another thing is there will be a price sheet. I'll create a little Google Doc price sheet with all the pencils I'm destashing. You will need to pay shipping. The goal is to use a medium flat rate shipping box. That'll fit most of these pencil sets in there. And then that way you can get them for a little quicker, and we'll work on finding the cheapest shipping solution. If you want to use UPS, we can. Remember, I do need to bubble wrap and do a lot of things. All right, so let's get started on the pencils I'm destashing. Again, first come, first serve. And now in a week, whatever is left will go on eBay, and then it's free for all. All right, let's get going. Okay, so a lot of these pain me to get rid of. However, I am in the middle of a divorce. I'm moving. I can't move all of this. I don't even know if I'll have room for all of this. So it's probably good I start destashing. We're going to start with the ones I have in tins, and then we'll go to the ones in cases. So my 72 Brunswick pencils will be part of the destash. I am honestly really sad to let these go. But here's the thing, I've gotten to the point where if I haven't used them in the last year, it's time they go to a new home. So they will come exactly like this. I'll put bubble wrap in between them, but they'll be coming in the case. Next, we have my 72 count set of Derwent Chroma Flow. I'm keeping the 150 simply because I'm doing a review. These have barely been used, so they're practically new. Again, I'll put pricing in a sheet, but keep in mind you'll be paying the price for these and then shipping. Now, if you use a flat rate box, shipping will be a little less. Some of these will not fit in a flat rate box. I may have to do special shipping. I am also going to be getting rid of my Starjoy Gold. I really love these, but I've been looking at options. And when it comes to options of, tutorials and everything, Starjoy has not been a very popular one or popular request. I do like these pencils a lot. I think a beginner could benefit. So this is a set that I'll be giving away. We're not giving away, putting in the destash. Now some of these you may only spend 10 bucks to buy. Who knows? Now Art and Fly. I will also be getting rid of my Art and Fly 72 count set. You can't actually get your hands on these days, so there's that if you want like a collector's item. Okay. This gets tricky. Now, the ones in the cases. Some cases will be for sale, some will not. I am not getting rid of all my pastel pencils, so hold on. I am, however, getting rid of all of my Astra Pastel Low pencils. So those will be part of the destash. So those go all the way over here. And then I will also be destashing all of my Brute Fooner macaroon pencils. So that's another part of the destash for those. I'm keeping my Castle Art pastel tints, but the Brute Fooner macaroon and the Astra Pastel Low, case not included. Okay, now this one two things. Now this has my Amazon Basics colored pencil sets. I'm going to be destashing these. So this is my full set of Amazon Basics. It's just time that we move on from one another. And then I do have my entire set of Winsor & Newton colored pencils as well that I will be destashing. Now this case will be included in the destash, but as a separate item, so it'll be on its own. The pencils do not come in the case. That's why I said pay attention, because if a case is being destashed, I will mention. Okay, then we have my Faber-Castell Black Edition. I will be destashing these bad boys as well, and they will actually come with this case. So there you go. There's one that will come with a case. I know you're looking at this pretty case. It is not leaving me. That said, this was a hard one to decide on, but I did decide that my Shapir Farbins are going to be destashed. Again, I have so many pencils. I love all the pencils I have, but I need to start focusing on pencils that everybody can afford and use. And so that's kind of where I really sat and thought about this, because, you know, my collection video was a while ago, and decided I've got to destash these. So these bad boys will be destashed, not in this pencil case though. Sorry, I am in love with this pencil case and cannot separate. Okay, let me see if I can make us some room. Now, we have another set of pencils here. Now these are, and I had mentioned, I was on the fence. I love my Lyra Rembrandt Polycolor, but I just don't use them enough. I can't justify keeping them anymore. So these will be going up for sale, or part of the destash sale. So as you can see, you'll have all these. There will be some extras as well, because I was gifted a small set and then I bought the bigger, so there's some duplicates. But yeah, the Lyra Rembrandts will be going up as part of the destash, as will my Ergo Soft. I just don't use them enough. They have sat here and just collected dust. You're welcome to get them in the destash and follow Emily Illustrator, because she does amazing things with them. And then this case will actually be part of the destash, separate, but it's still there. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I don't know why that one's in there. Oh, I grabbed the wrong case. I was like, wait a minute, I'm keeping those. Okay. I will also be destashing the Castle Art Golds. Now, I really do love these pencils, but I have not used them enough, well, in the last year. And I have the Castle Art Harmonious and Pastel tints, which I'm keeping, and those will be put together. But I just feel like these could go to a new home. I love these pencils, though. I highly recommend them. They will be included in the destash. Now, you're probably wondering about, like, whatchamacallit, additional ChromaFlow sets, which I have. Once I finish doing my reviews, those will go in a destash. I also have my Color 300s. I had thought about including them, but I also get a lot of requests. So I'm going to ask you in the comments below to let me know if you want to see Color more on my channel or my silent channel for coloring. I still have this set that I need to swatch and test, this expert top grade whatever. If I don't get enough requests, then Color will be next, along with a few others. But this is a pretty big destash group, you guys. I mean, we're talking pastel sets, sets that you can't even get anymore. So there's a lot I'm destashing here. So it doesn't seem that way, I'm sure, but yeah, this is quite a bit to destash. Some of these will be more expensive than others, obviously, but it's all within your budget. Again, first come, first serve. Therefore, if you see something you like, email me. The email will be in the description below. Please note this is not a drawing or a giveaway, though. All of these sets will have a price of some kind. it might be incredibly cheap, but then I would recommend, obviously, the more you combine, the better for shipping. And then we can work out shipping, because if it doesn't all fit in a medium flat rate box, we can look into the large ones for some of these. Other ones we can just kind of combine and do like a UPS ground or something like that. There's options. I have to charge shipping. I'm sorry. Shipping is just, I can't control that. So please keep that in mind. And then, like I said, a couple of those will have cases, but the cases will be separate outside of the ones where the Faber-Castell black pencils are. So yeah, welcome to the great Destash project of 2026. Now, if you want to know about these pencils, please go watch my 2026 edition for my colored pencil collection, because that'll tell you all these pencils I own and the ones you can see that I haven't gotten rid of, and my thoughts on them. So it's really important you watch that. And don't think because I'm destashing these, they're horrible. I mean, outside of my feelings for these. These aren't horrible, but they have not been used. And my big thing is, if you're not using a pencil and it's been a year, it's been in your collection, you have zero desire to use it, let it go somewhere where it can actually get some use. That's how I look at it. So can't wait to see what you guys end up grabbing in the Destash. Coming very soon are more videos. I'm slowly catching up, so I apologize, but I am getting there. And I can't wait to see where this all goes. But yeah, until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.